Greeting to all viewers. I hope you all are doing great. In today's lecture, I want to tell you about the instruments used in laminectomy surgery, their names and their uses. Before this video, I have already uploaded video on neurosurgery instruments, general surgery instruments, laparotomy instruments, vascular surgery instruments, and laparoscopy instruments. If you haven't seen those instrument lecture, you can watch them by clicking on the link in the description. So let's start today's lecture on laminectomy surgery instrument. This is BP knife handle number 3, 4 and 7, used to securely hold and control surgical blades for make incision. Next instrument is osteotome, used for cutting and shaping bone, also used for scuffed bone for grafting. Now this is Cobb elevator, used for dissect muscle from bone without any trauma, retract and elevate soft tissue like muscles. Next instrument is spinal curette, available in different shapes and sizes, straight, curved, angular and semi-angular. This instrument is used to scrape, cut, debride or remove tissue from bone. Alright, this is bone nibbler with double action mechanism, available in straight and angular shape, used to cut, remove or shape the bone. Now next instrument is pennybacker. Its use is similar to double action bone nibbler, but pennybacker is single in action. Next instrument is mallet hammer, used to apply force to osteotome, chisel, impactor or gouges, to cutting, manipulating bones. Alright, now we have Metzenbaum curved scissor, used to cutting tissue. This is Metzenbaum straight scissor, used to cut suture thread. Next instrument is Frazier suction, available in different sizes, used to suck fluid from surgical field. This is Mayo straight scissor, used to cut heavy structures. Now we have pituitary ronger, used to removing soft tissue, bone fragment and disc particle in decompressive laminectomy procedure. Available in different shape and sizes, straight from the tip or forward and backward. This is weight leaner flexible retractor that arm move both backward and forward, used to hold back muscles and tissue. Next instrument is cervical self-retaining retractor, used in posterior cervical laminectomy to hold back muscles and tissue. Alright, now we have hemilaminectomy retractor, used to hold back soft tissue. This specialized structure provides clear and stable view of surgical site. Now, this is vest self-retractor, used to hold back superficial skin. This is deep self-retaining retractor, used to hold back deep muscle or soft tissue. Alright, next instrument is Carusson bone punch. These surgical instruments are used to punch hole in bones, can also be used to cut hard tissue. This is double-ended McDonald dissector, used to elevate tissue, separate dura and raise a depressed bone. Now this is Watson chin dissector, used for lifting and dissecting periosteum in order to reveal their underlying bone structure. Next instrument is nerve root retractor, also known as laminectomy nerve retractor, used for retraction of dura or nerve roots. This is sponge holder, used for skin prepping. Now we have towel clips, most common used for securing surgical drapes. Then we have leg and back retractors, available in different sizes, used to hold back skin muscles by the help of assistant. This is Edson tooth forceps, used to grasp hard tissue like skin. This is Edson plain forceps, used to hold delicate tissue. This is long Edson forceps. Its use is similar to Edson tooth forceps. Then we have Bayonet tumor forceps, also known as a biopsy forceps, used to hold or grasp tumor. These cup jaws allow more secure for take sample. Next instrument is Bayonet plain forceps, used to hold delicate tissue. This Bayonet feature allow better visualization. This is Bayonet tooth forceps, used to hold and place neuropathies or Surgicel. Again we have Edson tooth forceps and again we have a tumor holding forceps. Alright, this is dissecting plain forceps, used to hold, grasp or manipulate delicate tissue without causing any trauma. Now we have dissecting tooth forceps used to hold or grasp tough tissue. Next instrument is DeBakey forceps used to hold any vascular tissue. Then we have some general basic instrument: mosquito curved artery, mosquito straight artery, Crile straight artery, Crile curved artery, Alice tissue forceps, and needle hold. That's all for today's lecture on laminectomy surgery instruments. I hope you picked up something new and this lecture is helpful for you. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Surgical Technologies for more lectures. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.